hold on. Give the piece right here in front.
Piece
Oh,
by the
for
face.
God's sake.
Piece by the face.
Hey, you try eating with hair in your face. It's not fun.
Fair enough.
Your hair.
Fair enough.
Putting my hair up.
Susie.
There's no hair fouls though, Tiffany. Once we start, we
It's fine.
start.
Go ahead. It's fine.
We can do. All right, best we can do.
All right.
On your mark.
I'm good. You don't have to hold it.
Get set. Go. Go, Tip. Come on.
Swallow!
You have to chew.
Josh, you have to scoot over.
Let him
Josh,
do his thing. Let him do his thing.
Josh, you gotta scoot over, buddy.
Ryan, you're my hero. You're
Do it.
awesome.
Yeah. Holy shit. Take your time. Take your time. You can do it.
Wait, girls, it's hating!
He's doing fine. He's doing fine. He's trending nicely.
Tiffany's on 2.
She's on 2. It's okay. She spit one out. That doesn't count. Get
Guys,
on
you're on the
it.
ground. She's supposed to eat that.
Oh, yes. Yes. Yes.
Let Ryan be sick.
Let's just let him throw it.
You want to call this one, Tiffany?
Whoa.
He is not shoot him and swallow.
Look at Uncle Brian. Thank you, Luke. Oh, that's your last candy. No more candy.
Was this one of your tests to get in the Marines?
This is when he did.
If he throws that, Ryan. Oh, he's going to be sick.
Undo his hands.
Shouldn't tie my hands though, right?
Oh.
He was actually shaking a little bit.